all I gotta do is go live and they're pissed off. It's hilarious. Even if my YouTube trolls were to go live and start talking all this mad shit about King Cobra, why the fuck would I send them DoorDash? Just to fuck with them. It's hilarious. That smells like canned fish, dog. I ain't gonna stunt. What flavor of Friskies is this? This is the salmon flavor. In fact, just to stick it to my YouTube trolls, instead of getting mad about my trolls sending me cat food through DoorDash because they think they're so clever, I'm going to turn it around on them and I'm going to eat this on camera just to stick it to my YouTube trolls. But like, this is going to provide interesting content for my fans. I swear to God, oh, don't you do it, Cobra. You want to see Cobra eat cat food on camera? This is ridiculous. Yeah. I tried one bite for y'all. Oh. Yo, this cat food is more disgusting than a piece of poop. My YouTube trolls' obsession with me is more disgusting than this cat food, and that's really saying something. Like, haha, we sent Cobra some cat food. Fuck him. And how is that trolling? You know, you're gonna go out of your hard-earned money to send Cobra cat food because you're jealous I get actual human food from my fans. I mean, I eat canned fish like sardines and shit. So this is not too out of the realm of, you know, like I'll eat a can of canned tuna like it's nothing. But that's for humans. Actual fucking cat food. It's like, what am I doing for a Saturday? I want to watch Cobra eat cat food because this is the highlight of my life. Watching Cobra drink peppermint schnapps and eating cat food on YouTube Live. Well, what were the fucking trolls expecting? What was gonna happen? Was Cobra gonna freak out because they sent me cat food? Were they gonna be like, "Oh my god, Friskies cat food"? Meow 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 meow. The taste. Ugh. Fuck. Ah. Ah. Oh, dude. Ah. I like the fishy taste. I like fish in general. Like Cobra didn't get mad at the bullshit DoorDash order. He just told the dasher to politely fuck off. And then it's like, okay, well, what the fuck did I get? So not only did you not get the satisfaction of having it handed to me face to face, but now I'm owning it by just being like, oh, you guys are hilarious. Sending me cat food through DoorDash. Oh, jeez. That just shows you my trolls are pussies. Yeah, if it smells like trout, get the fuck out. If it smells like salmon, keep on a slamming. Am I right, YouTube? Consider this. I want to say to my trolls, thank you for sending me cat food so that I can entertain my fans on YouTube Live. But I don't need to eat cat food to entertain my fans on YouTube Live. I just do my thing and it pisses you off. Otherwise, you wouldn't try this hard to fuck with me. It's like, yeah, I want to spend my hard earned money to fuck with Cobra. Take that, you autistic asshole. Here's some cat food. The initial taste of it, ugh, it's weird. I like the fishiness of it. Is this even safe for human consumption? Imagine how pissed off my trolls are watching my stupid live stream from the subreddit. Like, oh my god, who fucking sent Cobra cat food? That is hilarious. Oh my god, he's eating it on camera. What the fuck? Ugh. Ugh. I mean, it is the internet. You've seen me eat bacon time strips. My trolls are pussies for doing this. That's why they gotta send me cat food. Realistically, it's like, okay, I hate my YouTube trolls, and if they were going live and talking shit on Cobra, I wouldn't spend my hard earned money to fuck with them because I don't got to. At this point, I've already won, dude. I've already won. You might sit there and be like, oh my god, we sent Cobra some cat food on the internet. Haha, fuck him. And it's like, how dare you eat cat food on camera, you piece of shit? That first initial taste of it, it's like, ugh. But then you get past the initial taste of it, and it's not half bad. Oh, dude, that aftertaste is seriously funky, dude. That's how you stick it to the trolls. They're like, we tried to trick Cobra into shouting out sickos. That briefly worked, but then once Cobra was wise to the game, and we all know he hates sickos, he quit doing it. So it's like, oh great, now we gotta try harder to fuck with him. What can we do next? Okay, guys, we're gonna sit here in this goddamn Discord and talk about how much we hate Cobra and how can we fuck with him next. Well, the sicko thing didn't really work. We had our fun with that for a brief minute, but now it's no longer fun because Cobra is aware of the game. Well, shit. I know, let's waste our fucking hard earned money to send Cobra cat food. Maybe he'll freak out about it. And it's like, you know how many fucking feral cats I see running around my apartment complex? It's not mine specifically, but it's where I live. So if I wanted to, next time I saw one of the black cats running around here, I could have been like, you want the food? But I'm like, giving it to a stray cat is something I would do. But it's not nearly as entertaining and owning the trolls as being like, If you like watching me own the trolls and try cat food, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Like, I'm gonna waste my money to DoorDash Cobra bullshit, and he just fucking takes it like a champ and owns it. Man, it's gotta suck being as miserable as my YouTube trolls. Oh, and then when I sat there and said, "Can you read the sign? Is it paid for?" "Oh, I can't read." Bullshit! If you can't read, how come you're able to fucking figure out which address I'm at when you get an order for DoorDash? Can't believe I'm eating cat food on fucking internet, dude. What has my career come to, YouTube? Ah. Friskies salmon flavor. One of my YouTube trolls DoorDashed me a can of cat food and some gummy worms because they think, oh, this is fucking hilarious. We're going to watch Cobra freak out on camera. And instead of freaking out on camera and losing my temper, I'm like, you know, it'd be really fucking funny. Open up the can of cat food and start eating it on camera. Really stick it to my YouTube trolls. Be like, dude, I fuck with the Ouija boards and haunted cemeteries. You sending me cat food ain't shit. Ugh. I don't want to eat the entire can. I shouldn't have to prove my points. But I might just eat the entire can just to stick it to my trolls. Like, you get past the initial taste of it, if you like fish. I've had worse food, to be honest. Durian, okay, pastrami fish. No. I tell you what, if it came to eating a can of pastrami or a can of this, I'd rather eat a can of this, dude. Pastrami fish is that nasty. Oh god, now my fucking breath's gonna smell like cat food. Meow. Even at 70,000 subscribers and people are so fucking jealous of Cobra, it's like, you know what'd be really funny? If we DoorDash Cobra some cat food. Watch him freak out about it on camera. He just laughs at it and eats it and then does one of these numbers. Oh, man. Like, now I'm committed to the bit, YouTube. Although next time I get free cat food in the mail through DoorDash, I'll just save it for the feral cats that I see running around outside. There are plenty of stray cats running around outside. Or I'll just stick it in the laundry room. So if my neighbors have any cats and they're low on cat food, there you go. And I'm like, you want to control your trolls like King Cobra does? You can't control what they do. All you can do is control how you react to it. And if you react to it by freaking out, getting mad on camera and being like, well, fuck this shit, they're going to keep doing it. But when you sit there and casually eat it on camera and laugh at it, they're going, man, all we did was give Cobra easy content, shock value for his fans. What are we doing with our lives? because my trolls are pussies. That's why they sent me cat food. Oh, this is so gross. I can't believe I'm eating a whole can of cat food on camera. Ah! Ah! The initial taste of it, it definitely tastes like pet food. But when you get past like the initial, okay, you're eating cat food, and it tastes like pet food, and if you actually like fish, it's not half bad. I've certainly tried worse. I know for a fact like certain cats love fish. Cats in general love fish and like moist food like this. I would feed this to my cat if I had one. A puff is enough pet for me, thank you. Uh, I have been watching a couple of cat videos on YouTube. There's these one cats that I think are kind of cool. I forget what they're called, but they got these like skinny, pointed ears that kind of come out like that, you know. Pumbas or whatever the fuck they're called. Yeah. I'm more of a dog person, but I tolerate cats. Cats are cool to a point. I like animals in general. Uh, oh, it's just so gross. It's like, well, now he's committed to the bit. Son of a bitch. Oh, so now they're gonna keep doing it because my trolls are fucking stupid. You can read the sign. I'm not answering it.